हेलो एवरीवन, आई वेलकम यू ऑल बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो जैसे कि हम सबको पता है कि होली इज़ अप्रोचिंग एंड एज वी ऑल नो होली इज़ द ब्यूटीफुल फेस्टिवल ऑफ कलर्स। एंड हम सबको होली में कलर से खेलना बहुत पसंद है। पर जो सबसे कॉमन चीज़ आजकल के कलर्स में है दैट इज़ द केमिकल कंपोजिशन, जिसकी वजह से बहुत सारे स्किन इन्फेक्शंस एंड स्किन डिजीजेस हो रही है। तो उसे अवॉइड करने के लिए वी शुड ऑलवेज नाउ ऑप्ट फॉर द हर्बल कलर्स। But as we all know, in the market, herbal colors are very costly in comparison to the general colors. So in today's video, I will be showing you how we can make herbal colors at home with some very natural products. So in this auspicious festival of colors, जो market में available है, we can find from the surveys and also the news reports that बहुत सारे कलर्स ऐसे हैं जो लोकल रिटेलर्स बनाते हैं एंड ऑल्सो ग्लास पार्टिकल्स, रफ सैंड, दे मिक्स ऑल दीज इन दैम। सो बहुत ऐसे केसेस है जिसमें वो सब कलर्स यूज़ करने के बाद लोगों के स्किन पे कट्स, रैशेस एंड बहुत सारे अलग स्किन इन्फेक्शंस होते हैं। So to maintain the beauty of this festival, we should always opt the herbal colors. Those are made from flowers and all other natural products. So मेरा ये वीडियो बनाने का सबसे बड़ा मकसद ये है कि जैसे कि होली एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा ऑस्पिशियस फेस्टिवल है, so we should always opt for maintaining the beauty of this festival rather than ruining it by using such colors on others and harming them. So for this you need some of the vegetables such as beetroot, carrots, and also some green veggies, and also you can use the food colors which are used in cakes, but that should be avoided to some extent. We can also use some essential oils for giving it a beautiful fragrance. Rose water, kevra water, we can use such natural products in these colors. So just see the next clip and get to know what are the things which we will be needing to make these herbal colors at our homes. So friends, these are the things which we are going to need today for making the herbal colors. So here you can see on the down left hand side there are the vegetables which we will need. So there's a beetroot, some carrots, a bit of green veggies, and on the downward right hand side you can see there is rose water, some of the edible food colors, haldi, and on the top you can see there is corn flour, some atta, and then some bowls and plates. So these are the things which we are going to need today for making the herbal colors. So let's start the process. So friends, in the very first step we need to put all these veggies separately in a mixie and mix them very properly. So after putting it we can find very small granules that have been grinded out of these. So after that we need to take the juice out of it by putting it in the white cloth that is kept over here. So this complete process I will be showing you in the very next clip. So जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, in the first jar I have used some green veggies and in the second jar मैंने carrots डाले हैं orange color के लिए और उसके साथ beetroot के कुछ extracts डाले हैं for some bright colors. So I will be mixing it very well in the mixie and I will show you the results after that. So friends, this is for the yellow color. So here I am putting 2 spoons of corn flour in this, and there I am putting some haldi powder in that. After that I am using some of the rose water. So as I have mentioned, we can use some essential oils. We can also use rose water in that place, and here I will be mixing it very properly and fiming it. So I will be mixing all of these and it will form into a thick batter like structure. So I will show you how this has turned out to be, and we have to do the similar with the blue color as well, but in that we also have to add some of the atta that I have showed you before. So friends, here the mixture is prepared. So here you can see the consistency. It will be very better if we make more thicker consistency. So the next step is we need to pour it into a plate directly, and we have to spread it evenly throughout the plate. So here it is for the second color. So here I have taken some atta, and in that here I am adding 2 spoons of corn flour. Then here I am adding some blue food color to it, and then some rose water. So we have to mix this evenly and form it into a batter like structure. So here you can see the blue color is formed, but in the blue color as you are adding आटा, so हमें एक चीज़ ध्यान में रखना होगा कि हमें थोड़ा ज़्यादा पानी ऐड करना पड़ेगा, otherwise this will form into a dough like structure. So we are here adding atta just because of the color mixing and the binding property of atta. So here the blue color is ready and अभी भी हमें इसे एक प्लेट में स्प्रेड कर देना है as we did with the yellow color. So friends, here is the mixture that is prepared after putting it in the mixie. So this is the orange color which is formed from the carrots, this is from the beetroot, and this is from the green veggies. So in the very next step, we have to put it in a very thin cloth. So you can see here, and after that we need to squeeze the cloth and extract the juices out of it. So I will be showing you after the juices have been extracted of all the three colors. So friends, after extracting the juices, here you can see the green color from the green veggies, and here it's the beetroot red and the orange color. So अभी next step में हमें इन तीनों extracts में cornflour मिलाना है 2 to 3 spoons, and then after forming the batter like structure हमें इस तरह plates में spread कर देना है evenly, and we have to let it dry for 2 to 3 hours. But yes, after spreading it in the plates, I will be showing you all the 5 plates with all the 5 bright and vibrant colors. So friends, as you can see here, all the 5 colors are prepared. So we have to let it dry completely for 2 to 3 hours, or if needed we can also leave it for more time than that. So ये अभी पूरा सूखेगा 2 से 3 घंटा, और ये एक बहुत थिक पेस्ट की तरह ये जो प्लेट में हमने स्प्रेड किया है उसके ऊपर पूरा एक पेस्ट बनकर रह जाएगा. So after that we need to scrape the paste out and grind it into a mixture. So here are the 5 colors that are ready. So after drying completely we will look after it. So it has been 3 to 4 hours and अभी आप देख सकते हैं सारे जो हमने स्प्रेड किया था प्लेट पे सब अच्छे से ड्राई हो चुका है, and you can see these are some sand like structures. So we just need to scrape them out and put it in the mixie and turn it into a fine mixture. So now here I am going to scrape it out. So here you can see this is just a very rough sand type structure. So अभी ये सब हमें सारे प्लेट्स पे करना है, और उसके बाद we just need to put it in the grinder and grind it up. So friends, as you can see we have scraped out all the colors, and जैसे आप देख सकते हैं ये बहुत ज़्यादा rough structure का बना है. So here are the jars in which we have put in the pink color and the green color. So अभी next step है कि अभी इसे हम अच्छे से मिक्सी में grind करेंगे, and I will show you the results after that. So we are going to do this with every color, and we will be collecting it after grinding it properly. So friends, these are the final results. So ग्राइंडिंग करने के बाद जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं ये कितने अच्छे फाइन पार्टिकल्स में ग्राइंड हो चुके हैं, और यू कैन सी ऑल द वाइब्रेंट कलर्स ओवर हियर. एंड ऑल्सो इफ़ यू वांट टू नो अबाउट द टेक्सचर, सो यू कैन सी जो हमारे मार्केट में मिलता है उससे तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्मूथ और फ्रेगनेंट से भरा हुआ ये कलर है. So you can use it in this Holi with your family without having any risk of any infections or any diseases that are related to the skin. अगर इतनी मेहनत करके ये कलर्स बनाई हैं तो लेट्स नेम देम एज, जैसे कि हमारे मार्केट्स में सारे कलर्स के कुछ ना कुछ नाम होता है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट नेमिंग आवर कलर्स. सो दिस इज़ द कलर विच वी हैव प्रिपेयर्ड फ्रॉम बीटरूट एंड वी आर नेमिंग इट एज द क्यूट पिंक कलर. The next is here, this is the orange color that we have prepared from the oranges, and we are naming it as the Lightful Orange. Then the third is this beautiful and bright shade of yellow. So this is what we have prepared from haldi, pure haldi. So by mixing haldi in corn flour, we have prepared this mixture, and let us name it as the bright yellow color. And this is the blue color, which we are naming it as the cool blue. And the very last shade, that is this green color, we are naming it as the sap green hue color. So friends, this is the final result that we have achieved after the complete process. So friends, I hope you like this process of making these herbal colors, so that you can also make it in your homes and enjoy it with your family. So yes friends, जैसे कि हमने इस बार हर्बल कलर्स बनाना सीखा. So yes, थोड़ा टाइम टेकिंग प्रोसेस है, बट if we follow this, then we can surely play a very safe and colorful Holi this year. So it's my sincere request to everyone who is watching this video, you should follow this process of making these herbal colors and play with your families. So जैसे कि हम सबको पता है कि अभी COVID-19 it is on its peak. So in this point of time, switching over to chemical made colors is not a safe option at all. So let's get our hands together and make these colors, spread these news and these type of ideas in our society, so that we can play every festival with its own beauty and with safety at its most priority. So this is all for today's video, and I wish every one of you a very happy, colorful and a safe Holi this year. So if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. With this, I take your leave. Thank you guys.